Hey everyone, Kev the Trainer here. In today's video, I just wanted to mention that Apple made a big step towards making the Apple Fitness Plus app more accessible on smart TVs by making the app AirPlay 2 compatible. This means that if you have a smart TV with AirPlay 2 enabled, that you'll be able to mirror your workout from your iPhone to the TV. One of the issues that many users and I had initially when Apple Fitness Plus came out was that in order to play it on a TV, you'd have to have an Apple TV. Even though iPhones had the ability to mirror their displays onto smart TVs via AirPlay. This created a real limitation for those that had a smart TV that had AirPlay enabled, but didn't want to buy an Apple TV. However, with the newest updates to the iPhone and the Apple Watch, this feature is now available. Unfortunately, you won't be able to see your metrics on screen when you broadcast via AirPlay 2. And that's disappointing because that's actually one of the coolest features of Apple Fitness Plus. Instead, you'll need to view your metrics on your Apple Watch. Still, this is a step in the right direction because it allows more users to play their workouts on the big screen. Unfortunately, I can't truly demonstrate this feature because I don't have a smart TV that is AirPlay 2 enabled, but I'm still going to explain how you can do this with an AirPlay 2 device if you want to give it a try. First, make sure your iPhone and your smart TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Then go to the Apple Fitness Plus app, start the workout you want to take, and at the bottom right, you'll see the AirPlay icon, and then you tap on that. If your smart TV has AirPlay 2 enabled, it would appear here, and then you tap on that. Then you'd see the workout displayed on TV. If you're not sure if your smart TV has AirPlay 2, here's a list of what TVs do. So feel free to pause the video and look through the list to see if yours is on there. So that's how you can watch your Apple Fitness Plus workouts on your smart TV via AirPlay 2. Let me know what you think about this new feature in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more fitness app content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.